Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I like to say thank you for everyone to my presentations. Let me introduce myself. My name is Revinu Sabrina. The purpose of presentation is public speaking. The table of contents is overview, basic public speaking techniques, and how can we be able to speak in public. Number one is overview. Public speaking is oral communication in the form of speech, lectures, presentation, and other types of speaking in public. Public speaking includes speech, lectures, briefings, presentation, conveying information in pairs, conference, radio and television broadcast, teaching remarks, oration, hosting MC events, and speaking in front of many other people. Number two is basic public speaking techniques. The following are basic techniques of public speaking for beginners. Conferring the basic of public speaking as follows is overcoming nervous preparation, opening technique, delivery technique, how to master the material, body language, postures and gestures, and closing technique. Number three is how can we be able to speak in public? Number one is, however, don't let nervous ruin your performance. When asked to speak, usually the feeling of nervous will increase. The thing you can do to overcome this is to take a lot of breaths until the mind relaxes a little. In addition, taking a little time to be quiet, it's also okay if you feel it can reduce nervous. You can sweep the view in all directions to add to the impressions of being ready. However, don't do it for too long because if this happens, the audience will feel that you are still nervous. So it will eliminate the impression of confidence and assertiveness. Number three is eye contact. Eye contact is an important part of talking to other people. When when they're in large forums or small groups. With eye contact, a comfortable atmosphere of communication is created. In addition, the audience will feel more appreciated. Indeed, not everyone can make eye contact. If you can, it can be tricked by staring at the forehead or nose of the audience. Besides that, the thing to remember is that when talking, never look at the floor or ceiling. This will show that you still lack confidence, because the look and shine of the eyes show a person's readiness and steadiness when speaking. That to look at the people in front of you. Then you will increase your courage. The purpose of speaking casually here is to speak in a relaxed rhythm without reducing the formal impressions. One way is to speak slowly. Number three is speaking in low speed rhythm creates a comfortable and fluid atmosphere. It usually when nervous will spontaneously speak quickly. When this happens, immediately control yourself by taking as deep breaths as possible and exhaling slowly. Speaking so fast will hurt performance because the audience will feel that you still haven't mastered the material and are too nervous. Talking with other people in the world of work is not easy because apart from communicating their opposition well, the speaker must also be able to make the audience believe in what is being said. But that doesn't mean being pushy. In order to be trusted by the audience, when speaking must be able to show feelings and emotions. Having a test when speaking will even up the atmosphere and look convincing. However, it does not rule out the possibility that there may be parties who do not like or disagree with what is being said. If any disagreement is conveyed through constructive criticism, it's good to think about it. If the opposite is true, then it doesn't matter. Don't let unconstructive criticism spoil the focal point when speaking. Thank you for your attention. This is my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.